In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Airbnb to Acuity scheduling. This process will help streamline your booking management by integrating two essential platforms, saving you time and reducing any scheduling headaches. So let's dive right in and get started. First things first, you'll need to log into your Acuity scheduling account. This is your starting point, so make sure you have your login credentials handy. Once you're logged in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the dashboard if you're not already comfortable with it. It's crucial to know where everything is so you can navigate with ease. Now look over to the left side of your screen. You'll see a menu with various options, and among them is the Integrations tab. Go ahead and click on that. This section is where all the magic happens, allowing you to connect Acuity scheduling with a variety of other platforms you may use. Here, you'll find a list of featured websites that can seamlessly integrate with Acuity, but today, our focus is on Airbnb, so let's keep an eye out for that. Typically, you'll see Airbnb right away once you click on the Integrations tab. However, if it's not immediately visible, don't worry. Simply scroll down through the list until you find it. Occasionally, the layout might differ slightly depending on updates or changes in the interface, so just take a deep breath and keep on scrolling until Airbnb appears. Once you've located Airbnb, you'll notice a button labeled See Integration. Clicking this will provide you with more information about the integration process. You'll see an option to connect, so go ahead and click that. This action will initiate the connection process between Airbnb and Acuity scheduling. Next, you'll be prompted to sign in to your Airbnb account. This step is crucial as it authorizes the link between the two platforms. Enter your Airbnb credentials and continue through the prompts. Soon, you'll see a request to allow the integration. It's essential to click Allow here, as this permission lets Acuity scheduling access the necessary data from your Airbnb account to manage bookings seamlessly. Once you've hit Allow, the integration process is complete. You can now return to your Airbnb page and you'll notice that it's marked as connected. Congratulations, you've successfully linked Airbnb to Acuity scheduling, streamlining the way you handle your bookings and schedules. And that's it. You've now learned how to integrate Airbnb with Acuity. Scheduling with ease. If you found this video helpful, please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe to stay updated with more tutorials like this. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you won't miss out on any updates. Thank you for watching.